Hi folks. I wanted to make this video just to show you exactly how you're going to be submitting your assignment for today's work, and actually it will help you when you submit your All About Me assignment for tomorrow as well. So when you come into your course and you go to your home page and you see all the things we're seeing all week, the link to our Teams meeting every day, Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, and Friday, the link to my office hours, which by the way, you're welcome to join if you need anything clarified, and the link to our class syllabus. This is a great way to open our course, but remember, in order to find the work, you have to go over to modules. When you click on modules, every day we've had a new assignment. You're always going to see the newest work at the top in here, and it's always going to have the dates so that you know exactly the work that we're working on for that week. So we've done all these things. Today we have some new things that are published in our Canvas course, including changing our backgrounds and teams. If you haven't done that already, go in and check that out. Otherwise, I want to point out to you that I have a banner right here reminding you to be sure you carefully read the directions in the next assignment. Okay, because it could be a tad confusing and you might end up doing more work than you have to if you don't carefully read the directions. So this is our assignment. I also want to note to you that these things are indented because you need these. You're going to do one of these two things to complete this assignment. So I wanted to make that very obvious out here. So let's go in and look at the assignment. So you're going to learn today about how to find success in virtual learning. If you look up here, this has a submit assignment button right up here in the corner. This is an assignment page, which means this is where you're going to turn in your work for today. Okay? So you're going to go down here, read the directions. It basically is saying that since online learning is so new to all of us, it's important for us to know how to find success or things we can do to help us find success online. So for this assignment, 1, you can either read a News ELA article or watch an Edpuzzle video about distance learning. So that's the part you need to be aware of. You're doing one or the other. This is the part I want to go over with you. When you're finished, open an Office 365 Word document and write 5-sentence paragraph about what you're going to do to be successful this semester. Use examples from the article or the video in your writing. So remember, we talked about how it's really good practice that when we're logging into Canvas, we also go into Clever and open up Office 365 every day. Since this is where we're going to be doing a lot of our work. We're going to be making Word documents like today. We're going to be creating and sharing PowerPoints. Okay? So today we're going to work on a PowerPoint. I'm sorry. Today we're going to work on a Word document. So click on Word. You're opening a new document. And the first thing I want you to do when you open up a Word document for an assignment is title it. So see, it says Document 17. This is what I want you to click on. And then I want you to change the title. Morse, Success in Virtual Learning. Okay, so that's what I want you to make your file titles. Your last name, and then the assignment. Okay, and then all you have to do is click off of it. Now that's my assignment. It's already saved. So now you're always going to put your name at the top of all of your assignments and the title of the assignment. So success in virtual learning. Okay. Now I'm going to go down, hit tab so I can indent. I can find success in virtual learning by, and then I'm going to use my evidence from either the video or the article. Okay. See how this saves, so I don't have to worry about any of that. It's automatically saving for me. See how that's underlined in red? I go here, I right click. Oh, I'm sorry, I left click, and it brings up the correct spelling. That's why it was underlined in red. So now I can go back into my work for Canvas, back into this assignment page. I will have already read the article or watched the video. I will have already finished my Microsoft Word document that is my assignment. Go back into Canvas, hit Submit Assignment. In order to submit, it's giving me an option of a file upload or Office 365. We're going to do Office 365 mostly this school year, so this is the button I want you to click. It's going to prompt you to log in. That's okay. Hit Login. Okay, I think that what was happening was because I was in student view, it wasn't letting me open Office 365, but I'm going to teach you a troubleshoot for that either way. So this is a different assignment for something I had to hand in Canvas, but when I go to Submit Assignment up top, I come down here and I hit Office 365. It might ask you to log in, and that's okay. You're logging in like you log into the computers. And then you're going to come here and you're going to find a search box. You're going to use that search box to find your document. Once it comes up, you can just click it and hit Attach File. Okay. Once you hit Attach File, you can add comments if you wish, and then hit Submit Assignment, and it will be in there. If for some reason, I'm going to teach you a quick workaround. If for some reason you were getting a failed to log in or couldn't log into Office 365, what you could do is go back to your document, come right over here in the right hand corner and hit Share. When you hit Share, you could find my name, type in Morse, should come up, you would click on it, and then you would just hit Send. And then you're sending me the assignment. Even though you're not submitting it the correct way, we can figure out what's happening and why you can't submit in Canvas. But that would be if I would accept that as a way to hand in work for this assignment. Okay, any questions you can ask me in the chat or see me in my office hours or ask the group, because if you have a question, everyone probably has a question. Thanks all.